And who am I? That's not a secret I'll never tell. You know you love me. XOXO. Gossip Girl.
Hi guys, so now I'm preparing my makeup and I'm just doing my eyebrows. So I'm doing my eyebrows just like this, in this kind of way. And yeah, be right back. Okay, so here's my outfit. So I'm on my way to my work. I'm going to work now, and I used to ride a jeepney. Then I will walk through underpass.
Ni hao, Ma'am Lucy. I'm Abby. One Ning Ji Gao, famous Hen Gao Jing.
不用翻译吧？
不用翻译了，在考我。但他前面两句都一样啊。This for you. 哎呦，我 don't like it. You don't like, you don't want. Don't want it, take it. Don't like it.
好好 together。
I will take yours.
欢迎回到马尼拉，老板。我们很高兴这次见到你，祝你在马尼拉过得愉快，还有更多红包几千刀嘞。
May alam mo siyang ginagawa siyang mali. Naka-timelapse pa naman ako. Nagkaganda sila. Girl! Hindi, ang sabi niya kasi nasa cellphone. Parang kasi daw ang battery daw. Hindi na kasi. Hello! Pauwi na ako. Papunta na akong school. Hinihinga na ako, guys. Hi guys, so kakauwi ko lang and receive my passport. Yan. So bubuksan natin siya, titignan natin kung ano itsura natin dun sa passport. Piling kong pangit ko doon kasi nagmamadali mag-picture sa yung mga staff doon. So syempre nakakahiya mag-demand ng magandang picture. So yeah, tingnan natin. Guys, matatanggal tayo ng lashes. So, ito yung difference ng may lashes sa wala. Sabi nila, mas maganda daw yung wala akong lashes. Pero hindi ko sure kasi parang feeling ko hindi kompleto yung araw ko nang wala akong lashes sa makeup ko. Ayan. So, bali, sa TikTok ko lang siya binili. Parang reflex ko siya kasi medyo tugit na siya tingin. Itong isang set na to, sa TikTok ko lang siya nabili. Parang nasa 200 plus. Tapos, ayan, pwede siya mailagay sa ganyan. So, ito, okay na siya, compact siya. So, ayan, ganito yung itsura pag wala na siyang lashes. Nagdudry yung lips ko. And, mas maganda siguro talaga pag wala akong lashes. Cute! Say cheese! Cheese! Say cheese! Si Mangot siya guys, wala yung top silog niya. Hi guys, so today is Saturday and today is my rest day as usual. So today is pupunta kami. Ako pala sa game ng boyfriend ko today. I'm going to watch and then probably mag food trip ulit kami. So mag-discover ulit ako ng mga food trips. Mag-try ulit ako. Yeah, I'm going to vlog. I'm going to film it and ayun. Bali, ang ginawa ko lang today is gumawa lang ako ng bago kong intro sa YouTube. Then, kanina, ay nag-rest lang ako. So now, we're going out today and medyo makulimlim. Ngayon, medyo maulan. So, yeah. Ito yung outfit ko. Ito yung sinuot ko last time. Tapos, nag-cardigan lang.
She a head case, all she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out in parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more beaches, I might just scourge you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more beaches, I might embarrass you. Tag low, stomp a little pussy, hoe get some shell toes. Tag low, slapping rap beaches and making bail, hoe. Tag low, two-tone Cartier, match the nails, hoe. Tag low, no competition, these bitches fail, hoe. Tag low, curving, no curving, my shit is layers, hoe. Say they get money, but I can't tell, ho. Keep running circles around these snail, ho. And my shit bumping up in the jail, ho. Get low where you been at, man. Everywhere I'm working hard.
Eh, inutusan ako. Lagyan na ang role ko dito, tiga video, tiga. Na, naiya ako sa'yo eh.
Got me on wheels in my garage with the crank up on the hoe. You bitches better not keep me started. Locked in with the gangsters and players. My folks don't keep it solid. Everything I got on new, it look like I got renovated. I'm cocky, bitch, when I was just humble, they didn't appreciate. Young, wealthy, and ratchet, I'm the hood, bitches, motivation. On top of the world now, they tried to underestimate. Them bitches fraudulent, you know you the truth. Stop overthinking, these hoes they fuck with you. Standing on business in these Chanel shoes. Before I let a hoe play with me, out of these jail cool. Stomp a little pussy, hoe get some jail talk. Slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe. Two-tone Cartier, match the nails, hoe. No competition, these bitches fail, hoe. Curving, no curving, my shit is layers, hoe. Say they whatever she want. She piss me off somehow, she still get whatever she want. Talking about a nigga from the as I'm home. Hit it in the shower, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing Miss, I made her tell me what she want. She on the pie trip again. I know power got me buying again. Friends ain't jacking me, must be lying to your friends. They know I'm a beast, I wake the giants up again. Shining once again. Ran it up, I told her mama, shot in my DMs. I'm right back in, locked in. Shawty got that dress on, so the block is hot again. Think so when I hit it, sound like fuck a ad-lib. Got her ass again. Then she got it tripping off another yet again. Got a nigga feeling like a sucker yet again. Close on my emotions, then I rush and let her in. Hurry up and let her in. I'ma take a bougie ass to Rodeo and then let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci, he gon' take her whatever she want. She piss me off somehow, she still get whatever she want. Talking about a nigga from the as I'm home. Hit it in the shower, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing Miss, I made her tell me what she want.
Whatever she want, take her on the girl to the wherever she want. Take her fit the clipper. Doing shit is wrong. She done lose her attitude, she lost her way from.
I know you love fuck with me. I can tell by the way you in love with me. You can get enough of me. Well, I guess it's looking like you stuck with me. Felt like I just sprung off in the springtime. Fuck all your free time. You don't need no me time. That's you and me time. We can get so good. That dick make my soul smile. That dick make me so damn proud. Lay your head down on the pillow. Turn the lights to willow. I want you to say my name. Close your eyes and let yourself go. Now you're getting real close. Baby, I am on my way.
Pang-commercial ka talaga, boy. Chikim, chikim, chikim. 1, 2, 3. Toes up. Oh.
May order na ko. Sikat na lang. Naka-rocket. Pang ano din talaga, pang rides. Makita ko yun. Pang nag-ride sa babae. Ano pa ba siya next? Huwag ako lang pala.
Hi guys, so just got home. Nag-wash lang ako ng face ko. And may binili tayo today na new products, new lip products galing sa Watsons. So first, bago tayo mag-sleep, mag-i-skincare muna tayo. May mga pimple marks ako around here. Pero, nakasanayan ko gamitin ever since nung high school pa ako is yung eto, wait lang. Itong Kojisan. So, sabi nila medyo ano to kasi may alcohol siya. Pero, kasi parang in-improve na to. Improved version na tong cream niya. Ito kasi yung hiyang balat ko ever since nung high school pa ako, mga grade 7. Ayun na yung skincare ko. Kasi, ang dami kong ginamit na mamahaling skincare pero hindi siya nag-work. So, ito, Koji. Diyan lang siya umiyang. Which is weird kasi kung ano yung murang mga pinaglalagay ko sa mukha ko, doon pa na ganay mo. Doon pa na mawala yung mga eme-eme sa mukha ko. Ganyan. Ngayon na lang ulit ako nag-skincare. So, hindi din ako consistent na nakakapaglagay kasi super busy na. Tapos, tinatamad na din ako. So, yan. So, nalagay tayo yan. pasensya na yung mukha ko, wala tayong makeup. So usually after ko maglagay nito, nag-wash ako. Pero kasi I'm super tired. Pagod na ako. So hindi na ako mag-wash today. And excited lang sa try yung naubos ko kasi yung lip balm ko sa Spotlight. And first time ko makaubos ng lip product, ng lip balm. Since nagtitipid din ako. So now, try natin yung bago natin binila na lip balm. So ito yan. So actually, nabuksan ko na siya. Itong Vaseline na lip balm siya. In collaboration with Emily in Paris. Kung napapanood niyo yun, yung sikat na French movie sa Netflix kay Emily. Pero parang nag-regret ako sa pinili kong shade kasi hindi ko siya napansin. Nagmamadali kasi ako. Ang kuha ko is nude Nouveau. I don't know if tama yung pronunciation ko. Pero ito, nude kasi siya. So, wala siyang dating. Kaya nga ako bumili ng tinted para pag one product na lang yung ilalagay ko, may tint pa din. Para ako nakalip tint. Pero, parang wala siyang dating, guys. Which is, obviously, nude kasi. So, ganyan yung shade niya. Girl, ang puti ko na, tapos gaganto ko. Para akong may sakit. So, never mind. Magagamit ko to pag nag-MLBD ako. Tapos, ito yung talagang OG na Vaseline. Meron sila nasa tube ba yun? Yung nasa tub na maliit. And yung ginagano kasi parang messy kasi pag nagmamadali ka tapos dirty yung fingers mo. Parang di mo na mapapansin na yung na-apply mo sa labi mo. So, pinili ko yung nasa containerized. Nasa lip containerized siya ng mga pang lipstick. So, ayun. Buksan natin siya. Okay, so ito siya. Yan. Yung pinaka OG na Vaseline lip balm. Ito talaga, pag ina-apply ko to, lalo if madamihan, kabog siya. Ayaw niya magpatalo yung pag kinabukasan. Grabe yung pagka-rosy ng lips mo. Tapos, pinabrush ko pa yung skin ng lips ko. So, ayan. So, ayan. Nakakaano siya gamitin kasi bago pa siya. Ang smooth pa ng niya, applicator niya. Dati, pag eme ako sa buhay, gusto ko natural beauty. Gusto ko may patunayan. Ito lang ginagamit ko. Yung Vaseline. So, ayan lang. Ayan pa din tayo model ng Vaseline. Baka naman. Tsaka. So, ayun. Ganyan yung niya. Natural lang. Pero super moisturized. Tapos pag inilawan to, kabog perfecto.